Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI.
If you love camping and you have an SUV, you have got to check out this SUV tent from UNP. It typically takes two people to set up, but it was just me and my dog, so I had to figure this one out on my own. And I have a really cool trick for you. If you open your hatch only halfway, then you can by yourself get the tent over the top of it and then just push the button to fully open. And there you go. You've done it all by yourself. Once it's all set up, it's really sturdy and it's such an amazing thing to have access to all of the things inside your car. It makes setting up camp such a breeze. But that doesn't mean that you can't still drive your car. This tent is fully freestanding, so if for some reason you do need to take your car somewhere, you just detach it from the wheels and nothing inside the tent is affected. Everything still stays set up perfectly. Once you get back, you just back the car up and reattach everything. And this is great when you go for grocery runs. You don't have to unload anything. The inside is super roomy and cozy, and there's plenty of room for your table and bed and anything else that you want to keep inside with you. So if you're looking for an awesome SUV tent, I highly recommend this one from UNP. We'll be taking this on many adventures in the years to come.
And that's my point of view.